Python 2.7, sqlite3, ValueError, could not convert blob to buffer. I am trying to save a blob created from an integer array, that is, a packed array of integers, in an SQLite DB. The script shown below gives the following traceback. As far as I can see from the Python 2.7 sqlite3 documentation, it should be possible to insert a buffer object into a table where it is supposed to be saved as a blob. However, I am unable to make this work. For what it's worth, isInstance, buffer, prints true if inserted into the script, so I'm indeed creating a buffer object. Any suggestions? Thanks. P.
Christian Sayupita's note about the bug is correct, but bytes, AR, will give you the __str___ representation instead of a serialized output. Therefore, use AR.toString. Use array.fromString to unserialize the array again. You have to create an array object with the same type and then call .fromString, .
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.